The Rubbermaid No-Slip Interlocking Drawer. Organizer is a practical and functional solution for keeping your kitchen drawers organized efficiently. With product dimensions of 15.25 into 2.33 into 6.25 inches and an item weight of 7.8 ounces, this drawer organizer provides ample space for storing flatware, utensils, and other kitchen essentials. Manufactured by Rubbermaid, a trusted brand known for its high-quality products, this drawer organizer is designed to help you maximize space and keep items securely in place. The fact that it is made in Malaysia ensures a level of quality and reliability that you can trust. The Rubbermaid No-Slip Interlocking Drawer Organizer has received positive feedback from customers, with a rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars based on 1,657 ratings. This high rating is a testament to the product's durability, functionality, and overall customer satisfaction. In terms of product features, this organizer is easy to use and requires no assembly.